Today's lesson is lesson 20. It's on converting mixed unit measurements. We're going to do a multi-step word problem here, number 3 from their homework. Horace buys 2 3/4 pounds of blueberries for a pie. He needs 48 ounces of blueberries for the pie. How many more pounds of blueberries does he need to buy? So I think the first step would be, if you have 48 ounces, how many pounds would that be? So we are going from ounces to pounds when we're converting. So this is a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Today in class we learned if it's small to big, you multiply by a fraction. You multiply by a fraction. If it's big to small, we learned today, you multiply by a whole number. So in this case, we know we're going to be multiplying by a fraction, small to big. We also must know how many ounces there are in a pound. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So we're going to do 48 times 1 over 16, because we took the 16 ounces and we flipped it to make it a fraction. So if we do this multiplication, top times top, 48 times 1, bottom times bottom, 1 times 16 is 16. We get 48 over 16, which is equal to 3 pounds. We are not done. There's another step. How many more pounds of blueberries does he need to buy? Well, if he has 3 pounds and he already has, if he already bought 2 3/4, you just have to subtract those two to find the difference. So all he has left to buy is 1/4 of a pound. Because 3 wholes minus 2 3/4 equals 1/4 of a pound.